So in today's class, we'll again continue the example based on chi-square distribution by using Poisson distribution. And as we know that the chi-square is given by summation of OI minus EI whole square upon EI, where O is nothing but observed frequency and E is a theoretical frequency or expected. Fine. So the example is, fit a Poisson distribution for the following data. Test the goodness of it given that chi-square of 0.05 is equal to 7.815 for degree of freedom 3. So they have given the data. So here again what happens here, so in this example you just see that there is a no task, means task here, what I want to say here, there is a no tossing of coin or throwing a die and all. So in such cases we need to find directly the probabilities by using the direct method. And as we know that here degree of freedom in Poisson distribution is n minus 2, which is nothing but, you count it 1 2 3 4 5, that is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And chi-square of 0.05 of degree of freedom, just see in the question also they have given degree of freedom 3 and we got 3 here. It is given already in the question itself as 7.815. Using these two will finalize the hypothesis. Okay, so we know that the Poisson distribution is given by P of x is equal to m raised to x e raised to minus m divided by x factorial. So this already we know it from the previous module. Fine. So but here, so here I can say that this frequency is nothing but O, observed one. Okay, so we need to calculate for the theoretical frequencies. So the theoretical frequency formula is given by, the theoretical frequency formula is capital F of x is equal to n into P of x here. So I will keep this one as it is, but we need to calculate what is m from this. So m is given by, m is nothing but mean is nothing but m, that is summation of f into x divided by summation of f. So this f into x we have to do it divided by summation of f, which is nothing but 0 into 122 plus 1 into 60. Okay, 1 into 60, then 2 into 15, 2 into 15 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 1 divided by summation of f. Summation of f is nothing but 122 plus 60 plus 15 plus 2 plus 1. So we'll see the resultant is, so it will be 100 divided by this addition is 200, which is nothing but 0.5. So I can say that the value of m is 0.5. So with the help of this we'll execute the theoretical formula now. So therefore f of x is equal to n. N is nothing but summation of f. So n is nothing but what here, summation of f, which is 200 we got, that is 200 into m raised to x e raised to minus m divided by x factorial. So therefore f of x is equal to 200 into 0.5, because m value is 0.5 we got it, raised to x e raised to minus 0.5 whole divided by x factorial. So therefore where x takes the values 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So therefore we'll get the answer f of 0, we'll see, then f of 1, f of 2, f of 3, then f of 4. Fine. So these many values we need to calculate. Now this formula will fix in the calculator now. So division 200 into bracket 0.5 raised to alpha x, close the bracket, into e raised to minus 0.5 divided by alpha x, but in factorial, so it will become shift, you press it, you will get factorial calc option. Now when you put x is equal to 0, we will getting 121.30, so I will make it as round up 121. Okay, then when x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1, so it will be 60.6 and we'll make it as a round up as 61. Okay, next when x is equal to 2, it will be 15.16, so I will make it as 15, round up. Then when x is equal to 3, it will be 2.5, so I will make it as 3, round up. Then when x is equal to 4, it will be 0.31, so I will make it round up as 0. Fine. So therefore we will prepare a table. So table is what here for observed and expected or theoretical values. So O values, that is observed value, we will take from the table. It is 122, 60, 15, 2, 1, and what we got just now from the theoretical will write here 121, 61, 15, 3, 0. Okay, so by using this we will go for chi-square formula. So chi-square formula is given by chi-square is equal to summation of OI minus EI whole square divided by EI. Fine. So this calculation will be 122 minus 121 whole square divided by 121 plus 60 minus 61 whole square divided by 61 plus 15 minus 15 whole square by 15 plus 2 minus 3 whole square by 3 plus 1 minus 0 whole square by 0. So just see here, so what we getting here, so 1 minus 0, so value upon 0 is nothing but infinity. For such case I will rewrite this one as 122 minus 121 whole square divided by 121 plus 60 minus 61 whole square divided by 61 plus 15 minus 15 whole square divided by 15 up to here. So here what we'll do here, 2 plus 1 is 3, that is I'll make it and write one number. 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 3 plus 0 is 3 whole square divided by 3. Because of this term is turning toward here infinity, so that's why we'll make it 3 plus 1. So we'll add these two numbers. 3 plus 1 is 3, then 3 plus 0 is 3, so therefore 3 minus 3 is 0, 0 upon anything is again 0. So to make that arrangement I have made this simplification. So we'll get this one as 1 upon 121 plus 1 upon 61, this is 0 and 0. So therefore we'll get the result here chi-square as, So on simplification, so chi-square will get answer as 0.025. So this result what here? So we'll get 0.025, and as we know that chi-square of 0.05 of degree of freedom 3 is nothing but 7.815. So therefore I can say that our calculated chi-square is less than the table value of chi-square of degree of freedom 3. So therefore H naught is accepted, or I can say that here Poisson distribution is good fit. So Poisson distribution is what here is good fit. So in this way we need to calculate the examples based on chi-square test.